Chard, musta? So, happy birthday, Chard. Inawat pa unta na enjoy lang kasi mong life. Importante ang imong health. Kay maorigin niya itong puhunan. Labi na natas tunga-tunga sa atong kinabuhi. Means another 50 more birthdays to come. So enjoy lang and happy birthday.
Ayan na.
Okay na?
Our colleague Richard Blancos here in this Dry Dock project. We wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, sir!
Sir! Boss, amo manager.
Happy birthday, Richard!
Oy, in-approve ko na expense mo kaso si Romo yun ni-reject na naman.
May pang-giveaway si Dexter, itong si Coco.
Happy birthday, Richard. Wish you all the best. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Tantan and Auntie Lily. May you have many more birthdays to come and may God bless you and we miss you. Bye-bye.
What she said.
Happy 50th birthday, Wiwi.